our chart. I understand it might seem complicated or unclear, but look, friends, here's a tip. We need this pencil icon, click on it, then select horizontal line, and accordingly, place the horizontal line at the level where we had the lowest bars. Look, I'll mark it in white so it's visible. Here's the first low position. Here was the second low position, third, fourth. So roughly here is our lower level. Now take a second horizontal line and place it at the upper level. That is right here where we had a touch again from above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have another touch. As you can see, the chart is moving like this. Down, up, down, and continues on its way. So now look, we take the trend line again and draw it from the lower level upwards. As you can see, the chart hasn't reached the top yet. That is, it continues its movement. So right now, we wait 40 seconds and enter with the new candle. It's very important to enter with the new candle. Let me explain why. Because entering with the old candle isn't very profitable, since sometimes candles create a different entry, and it might happen that the entry doesn't go as needed. That's why we always wait for a new candle. This is rule number 1 in my strategy. I always use this, I wait for a new candle. And of course, we will open the trade for 1 minute. Look, here we have the time indicated. We select M1, which means 1 minute, and that's it. For 1 minute, I will open the trade for $250. That's it, 1 minute, $250. Buy. I press buy, right? So I press buy and accordingly wait for the purchase. 3, 2, 1, the purchase is made, that's it. The purchase was made for $250. And now I wait for an upward trend, that is for the chart to go up, for it to rise higher, just like it did earlier here. You saw, it went higher. Well, as you can see, it's 1 minute, I'm waiting. We have 40 seconds left. These are the settings I have. You select M1 candles so that you have the same setup, and that's it. And make sure to check all the boxes here so that everything works for you just like it does for me. And look, we wait 30 seconds and now we're about to have a successful trade, friends, which will bring us, as you can see, it says here on the right, we invested $250 and it will bring us $480 or a net profit of $230. I think that's an excellent result. To make $230 from a single trade. We wait for the remaining 15 seconds and we'll watch how this trade closes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now, as you can clearly see right here on the screen, the trade has officially closed. We received $480. Everything is great. The chart really did continue moving upward and we got our profit. Here you go, a perfect solution for you. All we needed was the line 1, 2, and 3. 3 lines. And now we've already seen our movement formation. That is, from top to bottom, from bottom to top. And as you can see, it's all quite simple. Let's move on to the second strategy. The second strategy is a neural network, which I also use. Here, everything is also pretty simple. By the way, it doesn't give 100% results, but it does achieve successful trades. That's exactly what we need. So we select English, and accordingly now it says something about the neural network here. Click done and start trading. Let's get started. That's it. Now we take our signal, get signal, and select OTC. Just so you know, we're on OTC. Here, as you can see, we have different company names. You can choose crypto, you can choose stocks, whatever you want, but I work specifically with currency pairs. It's more convenient for me. So right now I'm choosing OTC, and accordingly, now it's OTC. And we're offered 34 different positions, right? The very first one is Euro-Dollar. Let's select Euro-Dollar and click on it. That's it. Now our task is to find Euro-Dollar in the search. Let's find it here in the search. Here it is, Euro-Dollar. It's really 92%, so let's try to open it. We click on Euro-Dollar. And then in our neural network, we set it to M1. That is, we will open a position for 1 minute. Alright, we wait for our signal. And as you can see, the signal is for a downward move. Now we wait for a new candle. 3, 2, 1, and we open a down position. That's it. 1 minute down on Euro-Dollar. Let's see if that's the case. Will the signal close according to our neural network? We wait for our minute. As you can see, all our indicators show the entry point, showing 92% for 1 minute, and accordingly, the probability of success is 86%. But that's a more than interesting percentage, so we wait. I hope it really closes as expected. Alright, we wait for our time. We have 30 seconds left, and accordingly, let's see how this move closes. Overall, if we look at the analysis, I agree here with the neural network. As you can see, the chart is moving from the upper level to the lower one, meaning it's going down. So one way or another, we really do have a probability that the chart will go down. So let's wait 10 seconds and see if we can close here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, as you can see, the chart really did go into profit. We made a profit of $480. That's it. The chart closed perfectly. And accordingly, the second trade is also in profit. So the neural network worked perfectly. Friends, the name of the neural network is right there on your screen. Well, that's cool. Be sure to leave a like for that. And as you can see, the neural network always notes that the signal is closed, and accordingly, we got a positive result. So it was a profitable trade. Everything turned out great. I think it's time to end the video here because we've already made a profit of $460 to our capital, and that's more than enough for me. I'm going to make a withdrawal now and accordingly go relax. So, friends, don't forget, all the necessary links are in the description below this video. You also saw the name of the neural network on the screen, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and goodbye to everyone.